if you select minimize window, so you can easily minimize your FactoryTalk runtime application. Last acquire value, select last acquire value. Size to main window as runtime. You can select size to main window. Main window means that window of the your computer or desktop. So you can select size the main of runtime window, size to main window at runtime. Also these features you can select or deselect from runtime option. When I start runtime, so I will explain you how to use it. So maximum tag update rate, it is the most important. What is the maximum tag update rate? Maximum tag update rate is update of the tag that is connected to your PLC so if you will do any change, so here easily reflect take for here taking some time to reflect in FactoryTalk with Studio SCADA. Maximize tag update rate. Most of the case I have selected 0.0 millisecond. It is a millisecond, but by default is a 1 second. By default it will be 1 second. Next option is size. Use current size. You can see here a dotted line. Dotted line means that size of the window, size of the display. So right now size of the display is 225 height and width, 225 width and 355 height. Current, if you select current size, so on runtime it will be reflect current size, but 90.999% case it is a must. If you create any display, so display PNID display, not pop-up, so it is a must. Write a size 920, width and height 1080. Height will be 1080 and width will be 920. It is a resolution, that is a resolution of your desktop and also laptop. Resize, allow display to be resized. You can easily resize if you select resize option, so you can resize your display. जब आप FactoryTalk भी स्टूडियो क्लाइंट लॉन्च करेंगे तब when you launch a client of FactoryTalk in FactoryTalk Studio SCADA, so you can easily resize of the window, you can easily resize of the display. So if you select, so you can resize. Also you can select from runtime option, resize option. Also you can select from runtime resize option, allow or not. Position, use current window position or specify position. You can select use current position of the display, and also you can select from here a specify position pixel. Security code, you can give any security code. Total security code is 1 to 15 A to P. You can give any security code A to P. I will discuss in my coming video how to use security code and why we use security code, what is the importance of security code. And background, You can choose any background from them color and also choose recent color and choose another color. So click on another color. You can select custom color and you can select a standard color. So most of the case you can select any color that is required on your project. So right, I am selecting a slaty or dark color. Click OK. Next, behavior. So behavior of the display, मतलब इसको इम्प्रूव कर लूँ माइंड को और ज़्यादा, पैसा अभी भी साइड रख देता हूँ। पैसे से इस माइंड को इम्प्रूव नहीं करना है, इसको इम्प्रूव करते जाना है, वो तो आएगा ही आएगा। इसको इम्प्रूवमेंट में कि पैसा इतना मिल रहा है तो इतना है माइंड लगाएंगे, माइंड को जितना लगा सके उतना लगाए। You can select here startup. It is a command wizard setup, one of two. All command in this command wizard. All command is in this command wizard. You can see here system wizard, tag and database, external application, multimedia, framework, language, security, activity log, script, graphic, navigation, catch, object method, cursor movement, and also see luxury recipe, data log, local, logic and control, derivative tag, display client, event, flow control, client key, macro. I will explain all command of wizard, how to use of command wizard, and when use command wizard, what is the work of command wizard. It is a all feature that is it is a very good features that is given in this software. You can easily use command wizard to you can do your project very easily with the learn this particular command. Right now I am not explaining, but in coming video I am explaining all one by one command how to use. I know that maximum command, but right now I am not explaining. Click here shutdown, just like startup. Click here shutdown. You can select any startup. You can see here about active, about, choose a display window, active application. Say here behavior of interactive object. Behavior of interactive object, two type of behavior. First is beep on press. Beep on press means that when you will be press anywhere or any object on any object in particular display, so your device or your laptop or desktop give a sound, beep sound. Highlight when cursor pass over it. When your computer cursor will go on any object or anywhere in the project, so particular object or particular object will be highlight of black color. You can change color from here, select any color. Example, you can select green color or required to your you can select green color or any other color. Display on screen keyboard whole display. What do you mean by on screen keyboard whole display? With the help of this particular option, display on screen keyboard for whole display. So you can, if you want to on screen keyboard numeric input, so or numeric display, numeric input, so and also string input, so you can select display on screen keyboard. When you will be click from your mouse numeric input display, so numeric input, so you can a keyboard on screen on your display screen. Last is allow button action error. If you select allow button action error, so you can see any error, any button action error on your client area. On this client area, you can see here it is a client area. So always